So this is Pier Plaza at Hermosa Beach. This is one of the busiest areas of the 3 South Bay beach cities, Manhattan, Hermosa, and Redondo. Lots of people come out here to congregate. It's a Friday night in March, in the middle of the COVID-19 crisis, and I just got a really important text from the LA County Health Department. Let's take a look at that. It says LA County's COVID health officer order is in effect. Beaches and trails are now closed. Do your part to slow the spread of this deadly disease. Stay home this weekend and weekdays until April 19th. Only travel to seek medical care, do essential business, and run necessary errands. Okay, so I am walking through a very sad and lonely Redondo Beach pier. This place is usually bustling, as you probably saw in the Redondo Beach Photowalk video that we did a few months ago. Let's toss right now to Jan Schrieber. She's in Laguna Beach for an update about what things are like in Laguna. Jan?
Hey there, it's Jan. I'm here in Laguna Beach. It's actually my hometown. We've been shut down since Monday, and now it's Friday, March 27th. Our beach, main beach, has an orange fence all the way around it, and they are ticketing, so beware. Our beaches and now parks have all been closed. They've put up orange fence all around main beach, and there's also gates at every single stairwell going down to the beach. So don't chance it. Last weekend, they tore the tape off the basketball courts. This weekend, well, there's no tape. Usually there's people out there walking. I'm usually out there walking.
Okay, thanks Jan for that update from Laguna. I'm gonna say goodbye from Manhattan Beach, where county officials are really serious. The bike path is closed. The Strand is closed. The access to the ocean is closed. Let's abide by the rules, stay at home this weekend, and get through this together. If you need your beach fix, I got a lot of beach videos here on the Photowalk channel that I'd love for you to watch. Hermosa, Manhattan, Redondo, Dana Point, Newport, Huntington, a lot of them are there. Please stay tuned and please watch. If you have any questions or concerns, at Jefferson Graham, Twitter, Instagram, or write in the comments below. And I'll see you on the next Photowalk.